Morning, everybody. Welcome to the video. So today we're starting off at home Tuesday morning from my couch because I have come into contact with somebody who tested positive for the cove. Now, I am not experiencing any of the symptoms. I can still smell, I can still taste, I don't have a fever, anything like that. But I figured it was better to be safe than sorry, and I should quarantine and get tested before I go back to work. I got my test this morning, and the whole swab thing really wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Maybe I had a nice nurse and they didn't just like jam it up my nose, but I'm waiting for my test results to come back, and I'll let you guys know what happens.
So I'm still gonna try and be productive, even though I'm supposed to stay away from everybody. So I'm gonna clean out my Jeep. I just took care of all the trash, so I'm gonna go vacuum it. And I'm also gonna go through the car wash because the outside is filthy. Just pulled up to the car wash. Friggin', which one should we do today? I'm thinking the deluxe wash. That sounds good.
Please insert payment now.
Payment now. Oh boy. Boop.
Please remove your card. Please wait while you're Thank you. When the wash is ready, please pull forward into the wash.
Oh, I thank you. Oh, looks like it's almost our turn. This guy's driving off his car. Oh. Look at that. Ooh, spraying the undercarriage. Gotta get rid of all that salt. Pull forward, pull forward, pull forward. Oh, I guess that means stop. Look at that. Stop. Stop. Back up slowly. Oh no. Went too far. Oh. We good? Oh, there we go. I think we made it. And that's it. All clean. Time to go through the dryer. Blowing that water around. Look at that. There we go. Man, that was fun. And by fun, I mean loud and annoying. All right. Well, I am back home now. And there we go. So I made it back home. So I'm gonna put my pop socket thing on, back where the, where the old one was. But you know what's really annoying is when you just finish vacuuming your car, and there's an old dude behind you that beeps the horn like 3 times right after you got right in the car. And granted, I get it. I recorded the last clip, but like it took like 10 seconds. And in that 10 seconds, he not only beeped his horn at me, he drove by and did one of these, and then parked in front of me like I was taking like 20 minutes to pull out of this spot. It literally took like 10 more seconds for me to buckle up, put the Jeep in drive, and then pull out of the spot so he could vacuum his car. Like, have some patience. I know, like, I struggle with that sometimes too. I'm not perfect, but you'll get your chance to vacuum your car, dude. Like, no need to freak out. No need. But anyway, it's time to put my pop socket on, and then I got some freaking glass cleaner too, so I can wash all the windows. So it's the next day, and I'm already losing my freaking mind. Just kidding. I'm just kind of bored because I'm not really like a home dweller. I like to go out and do things like go to the gym, go for walks, friggin' literally anything but sit around in the house all day. So I'm all going a little stir crazy. So I've been trying to do some exercise, doing some push-ups and stuff like that. Try to keep in a good headspace and not get like
little depressed and like start binge eating everything, because that's how we destroy the gains, and we don't want to do that. And just to be extra fun, we're gonna do some push-ups with these blocks. So I've never really used one of these ab crunch things before. I never really train my abs, but since we're at home and I have nothing better to do besides provide content for the internet and all of my lovely viewers, we're gonna try this out right now. I feel like this is gonna hurt. Oh my God. No. There's not enough space. All right, here we go. Oh God. Oh God. Oh my God, this hurts. Oh, my core strength is trash. Oh my God. Oh man. I don't know how many more of these I can do. Oh, that's it. I'm done. I think I'm just gonna do like a plank instead and see how long I do that for. Oh, let's give this a shot. Ready for this? I have got these beastly 8-pounders. Let's do some lat raises, I guess. Already lost count. I'm just gonna keep going until I can't. Might be a while. You know what else I thought? I could grab both 8-pounders and do some bicep curls. Yeah, let's go. That seems good. 1 pound for every pound of weight. Or 1 rep for every pound of weight. Yeah, that makes more sense. All right. With the left arm. So I know for a fact I can't do a 1-arm push-up, but I'm gonna try doing an assisted one, which what I mean is I'll have my left arm stuck out and kind of holding me on one of these blocks over here, and then we'll see if I can do a full range push-up without hurting myself. Oh, let's try the left side. This is my weaker arm, so. Oh, not too bad. So it seemed a lot easier than I thought it would be. So here's the attempt at the 1-arm push-up. Balance. All right. Not quite, but that's all right. So I hope you guys could tell that I was kind of just, having fun with my little workout today. Nothing too serious. I usually train a lot harder, but I'm trying to keep
in a good headspace and, you know, not be too worried about, you know, missing days at the gym and having to be stuck home right now. This unfortunate circumstance where I have to stay home in quarantine, you know, it could actually turn into something a lot worse. So I'd rather take it seriously and just like stay home and, you know, quarantine and trying to have some fun while I'm here instead of like be upset and like just be lazy all day and eat all the junk food all day. I want to keep the right headspace so that you know, I still stay on track with my goals, even if I have to like postpone them a little bit just because of this circumstance. You know, there's no way I could have like known this was gonna happen. You know, shit happens. It's just the way life goes. But it's how you deal with it which really determines the outcome. And if you just take things, you know, how they are and you handle them with a positive mind, you'll get through it. All right, I'm gonna end the video here. Whether you enjoyed it or not, please like and comment down below. Subscribe if you're new, turn on those post notifications, and thank you for watching today's video. I'll see you later. Oh, real quick, it's a few days later and my test results came back negative, so we're in the clear. Thanks again for watching, guys. Peace.